Do you want to know how you can customize your chat on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can customize your ChatGPT on how it responds to you. Go ahead and open Chrome or Brave browser, go to chatgpt.com and then log into your account. Go ahead and click on your account, which is on the left hand side, and click on Settings. Now, you can see that the option of customization is not available here. If it is not here, you can click on your account and see Customize ChatGPT in here. So click on it and you can see that there are two boxes. The first box tells you what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. If you click on the box, you can see thought starters, where you are based, what do you do for work, what are your hobbies and interests, what subjects can you talk about for hours, what are some goals you have. So you can write these and you can see that ChatGPT will know about you more and it will respond to you with responses according to your thoughts. And the second box is how would you like ChatGPT to respond. So you can see you can write about how formal or casual should ChatGPT be, how long or short should responses generally be, how do you want to be addressed, should ChatGPT have opinions on topics or remain neutral. So you can write about all of these and ChatGPT will respond to you according to your wish and according to your prompts. You can click on Enable for new chats, click Save, and then you can customize your ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.